What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a very exciting day. I had Mopar reach out to me about a few months ago on Instagram. I honestly thought it was a joke. I didn't think it was anything serious, but they ended up hitting me up and asking if there's anything I'd want from Mopar, like the catalog online, if there's any parts or anything I'd want for the truck. And I said, you know, there's really not much I'd want. My truck is fully loaded. I got it the way I wanted to. Then I was like really thinking about it, and I kind of wanted the power running boards. So I shot my shot and I was like, you know what, let me send this to them. You know, the electric running boards right now I have, you can see I have the off-road ones. So I shot my shot. I was like, you know what, I'll reach out to them. I'll see if they'll actually do it. So long story short, they actually approved it and they're paying the dealership to install them. So that's what I'm doing today, which is kind of crazy. So you can see my truck, I got it built the way I wanted to. And you can see the off-road boards that I have there on both sides, and I really do like these boards. These boards are really nice. The grip is really good and I like the look of it, but now they're about to go away and I'm about to go drop it off at the dealer now. So this is what it looks like now. I'm not gonna be able to record at the dealership obviously, but it's all gonna change. And I think with the 37s it's gonna make the truck look so much higher, and I think it's just gonna be more of a cleaner look. I do like how they come out and everything, but I think the retractables are the way to go. So, you know what? I was like, if I'm gonna get them for free, why not do it? And that's where I'm going right now. I'm actually heading to the dealership by me, which is Security Dodge, and I'm going to have the boards changed. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. So right now, I'm on my way to the dealership. About 3 minutes away. Actually pretty early. Supposed to be there by 8, 7:45. Apologize for the glare, it's so sunny out right now. But we're pulling up to Security Dodge right now.
Turn right onto South Bayview Avenue, then your destination will be on the right.
Oh, they got two TRXs there. Oh, they got a Lunar and a black one. We'll try to grab a closer look at that. What's up, guys? It's a few weeks later. I apologize for the delay. I'm always, you know, doing some, not going to get into it. But anyway, we got the retractable steps put on the truck. I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. So far, I've had them for about 3 weeks. No issues at all. Love the way it looks. Love the way it comes down. I'm about to show you right now. Let me just stop talking about it. So as you can see, getting out of the truck, they retracted right there. And I'm going to jump down. And then there's about maybe like a 3-second or 5-second wait. Yeah, about like 3 seconds. You can just see how much different the truck looks with the retractable steps. It makes it look taller, it makes it look bigger. So if you're thinking about getting it on your TRX, it does fit. So the body is like a regular Ram 1500 minus a few, you know, changes. Obviously it's wider, a whole bunch of other different components, but as far as like the width of the body, it is a regular crew cab. So just make sure if you do get the retractable steps, it is for the crew cab. And you can see how it looks. The truck is open, so I open up the back door, drops down right there. Truck is a mess, but they do feel really good. Little wobbly, but I mean that's what you kind of expect. I mean it is hanging off, but I do weigh 200 pounds. That's actually a lie. I probably weigh like 210. And you know, after the summer eating garbage and hamburgers, hot dogs, and you know, having tons of beer, it does change it up a little bit. But you do see how the truck looks. And so it doesn't matter what door you open. You can open the front door, it opens up, close it. So there is a little bit of a delay. So if you open the front, you open the back, you have no issues at all. And yeah, then it's going to retract like that. I love the way it looks. I wasn't sure about losing the what did I have? The Mopar off-road running boards, and I really did like those. And you know, they kind of protected anything being kicked up, any rocks or anything like that. But you guys know I live in New York. There's not much to off-road besides some sand at the beach. So I don't really have to worry about too much. And I do, ever since I bumped up 37s, I did keep my mud flaps, so hopefully that kind of protects anything shooting up. But yeah, I mean, that's the look. And I'll stand a little further back so you can just see how it makes the truck look so much bigger. It does look a lot cleaner. At first it felt weird not having the running boards. I got used to that look, but honestly I can't picture not having these on the truck. All right, so I couldn't film like an install video or anything like that because I did have it done by the dealership. I dropped it off one day and I picked it up, I think it was like 4 or 5 hours later. Oh, actually, let me show you something else. So if you do turn the truck on, you go to vehicle, and now you can see the power steps. So now pressing that kicks them out. And I actually haven't really used this because, you know, I just use the steps when I open and close the doors. So I don't know how long that stays open. I'm guessing until I press the button. So if I get out right now, let's test this out. Let's test it out together. So the truck is still on. It beeped 3 times saying the key's not in there. There's a 3-second delay, so it should have went up already. So yeah, I mean, I guess the button just keeps them there. So you can hold it. And then I'm gonna press the button right now, and I'll show you it's gonna retract. Just like that. So that's a cool little feature. So when you do get the steps installed, they do hook it up to the Uconnect. And that's, I mean, pretty much it. The truck keeps evolving little by little. And honestly, so I don't normally post stuff like this, but Mopar did send me these steps for free. And of course I posted on Instagram, and you're always gonna have people that, you know, like to talk shit and say stuff. And the first thing was like, why are you claiming that Mopar sent you these free boards and you got them installed free? Listen, I literally pay for everything on this truck. Everything I got installed. I never claimed I got anything for free, ever. So I'm not the type of person to do that. I don't brag. That's literally what happened. And just to prove the haters wrong, so I'm trying to hide as much information as possible. So I did have it done at Security Dodge Chrysler. Let me just hide whatever I need to hide. All right, so you can see here, Security Dodge. Oh shit, I just accidentally ripped it. But anyway, so customer states the running boards, all this, and then it says as the comments you can see there, as per bill and as per Mopar install running boards. You can see everything is zero. Total invoice 0. I literally paid nothing to get these installed. And you could say I bought the boards, and I got them installed for free. Whatever you want, you could literally say anything. Mopar literally reached out to me on Instagram and asked me what I wanted out of their parts catalog, and I figured I'd shoot for the moon. And I was like, you know what, I kind of really want the power running boards. I was like, my truck's fully loaded. I was like, there's nothing else I really need. I probably would have went after the Ram bar if I didn't have one. And I was like, you know what, let me just see if they'll send me the steps. And they ended up doing it, and they ended up paying for the install, which is honestly unbelievable. So big shout out to Mopar, and thank you for that. And that's gonna do it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button, definitely subscribe to the channel. There'll definitely be more content coming, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.